Hello everyone and welcome back. We went on a long 20-25 days vacation to our natives. That was one of the reasons why I was missing in action here. Summer vacation is the best time for Rhythm to spend a good quality time with her Achi Tata and Nana Nani. So this included a good long visit to both our parents' places. I woke up pretty late and we all had an easy peasy breakfast today. Poached eggs followed by some fruits. A comeback after vacation always comes with a added work at home. But honestly speaking, I was not yet over with the vacation mode and decided to take things slow, easy, and basic, especially at the beginning of the day. I also asked my house help to help me with some of the cleaning tasks. I knew there was a lot to do, but I did not want to push myself because work was going nowhere. And if not today, I know I'll surely tackle it tomorrow. I started with organizing the cluttered surfaces and cleaning them on the same go because I had to start somewhere. I like the process of organizing and redecorating surfaces to create a visually pleasing atmosphere at home. And starting with something we enjoy is a good way to get started on things. I was overwhelmed with the amount of chores I was supposed to finish on this very day. Thankfully, Ashwin took care of some of them. He put the clothes out for drying, helped me with some minute peeling and chopping part in kitchen, he gave Rhythm a bath, and etc. This long vacation and the scorching heat in Mumbai costed me my plant babies. A lot of them died and most of them dried up. I know I can make most of them survive, but it's going to take some time with all the effort and hard work. However, for now, I'm just trying to digest the fact that my plant babies right now are not doing very well. The pile of laundry is a constant after such vacations. I wash 2 batches each day for 3 days. Bed sheets, cushion covers, pillow covers, sofa throw, rugs, doormats, and the laundry from our vacation. Since I was not in the mood to clean anything now, I decided to cook a good lunch instead. We all love a wholesome veg pulao, so I decided to cook the same with some raita. I soaked the rice for pulao and started chopping the veggies I had available with me, some carrots and beans. Following the routine is always easier than starting one. It takes quite long to adjust back to the daily things as the heart still wants the vacation to prolong forever, especially with family. Even the longest vacation is not enough. In some mustard oil, I'll add some whole spices. You can't skip them as they bring a nice aroma to the pulao. Simultaneously heat some water which we are going to use later. Once the onions turn translucent, add the ginger garlic paste and the chopped veggies. I'm adding some chili powder, jeera and dhania powder, garam masala powder and some Kashmiri lal mirch powder for that hint of color. Also, I'm adding quite an amount of soya chunks as we love it, but you may skip it if you wish. At this stage, I'll add the chopped tomatoes. Here comes the trickiest part of cooking pulaus and biryanis. To prevent your pulao from becoming sticky, it's important to drain the water in which you soaked it. You must do this at least 10 minutes before adding it to the veggies. The very next step is to add some salt and saute it till it becomes light. You can literally feel the shift in weight of the rice, and the grains will also separate from one another. I'm adding some freshly chopped mint leaves here, which you may replace with coriander leaves. But if you're okay with it, just add mint and you'll get addicted to the flavor it adds to the pulao. Now in the end, I'm adding the boiled water, which is exactly double the quantity of rice. Now I'll prepare the raita, which is very different from what I usually make. It's simple yet tasty. Some roughly chopped onions, curd, chopped green chili, and a dash of salt. That's all, and you're good to go.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top.
Although I don't enjoy folding the laundry as much, but there was no other go. I had to do it right away as the next pile was ready to go for washing. Leaving even one batch of cloth would have simply become a huge bulk to tackle. Well aware of this situation, I made sure to fold and keep the clothes inside the wardrobe right away.
As we shout from the top, we're gonna be two hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed.
The whole house accumulated dust. I did not clean everything at once, but rather picked the places that I felt needed an urgent cleaning. This wash basin had so much dust all over. I just used a small amount of liquid soap to give it a quick scrub.
Laugh so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna
My kitchen backsplash also needed a quick cleanup. These stains from cooking needed some scrubbing. Any stains on the backsplash happens to irritate me until I clean it up. I just used the liquid dish soap on a scrubber to get rid of these stains. The scrubbing did not take too long as the stains were not too old. After I was done scrubbing, I took a wet cloth to wipe down all the soap on the tiles. Similarly, most of the house chores are easy and less time consuming, but not tackling it on a regular basis makes them big. However, I'm yet to do a lot, but my mantra is to take it slow and easy. Do let me know about your post vacation feelings. And on that note, I'll wrap up this video and see you next week. Till then, keep smiling and take care. Bye bye.